Hey Central Elementary, it's Reflections with Roro, and today I want to show you a really quick feature in Illuminate that you can use with your students. So what I've got up on the screen right here is an assessment. I'm going to show you how to use the pacing feature. So I've already selected the test that I want the students to look at. So I'm just going to click off of this. And then I'm going to go to Administration, Online Testing, Test with a Quick Code, and now I'm going to pull up the assessment panel. Alright, once I've got this up, now you're going to come over here to where this little, these three little bars are. You're going to click this, and then you're going to select Pacing Mode. Alright, so now it's been enabled. Now this feature is really cool because you can come back over here, go to Questions, and say you need to, maybe you're going over some test prep, maybe you're reviewing for a common assessment, maybe you're going over some missed questions from a common assessment, or maybe you've got an informal assessment that you want to guide your students through. You would click on these three dots next to the question, and you're going to put Set for Pacing. Now, what this does is it, once the students log into this, it's only going to allow them to be on this specific question. So I might be guiding them through how to answer the question, and they cannot move on from it. After you're done with that question, you would just move on to the next question that you want to go to. Maybe one of your most missed questions was number 4. So you're going to click on this, Set for Pacing, and it unlocks them from 1 and puts them to 4. I really hope that you enjoy this feature with your kids. Thanks.